Hello everyone, and welcome to what might be the most impactful discussion you'll have this year. Today we're diving deep into the $1 million opportunity, a topic that's buzzing across industries. This isn't just hype, it's about a revolutionary tool called n8n and how it can unlock unprecedented value for your business or career. If you've ever felt bogged down by repetitive tasks, wished for seamless integration between your favorite apps, or dreamed of automating complex processes without writing a single line of code, then this video is for you. We'll explore why n8n is more than just another automation tool. It's a game changer that can save you countless hours, reduce operational costs, and open doors to entirely new revenue streams, ultimately leading to that $1 million potential. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why n8n is the superpower your business needs. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is n8n? Pronounced n8n. It stands for Node-Based Workflow Automation. In simpler terms, it's an open-source workflow automation platform that allows you to connect applications, services, and databases with a visual, no-code/low-code interface. Think of it as the ultimate digital connector, enabling you to automate virtually any task or process across different platforms. But why is this a $1 million opportunity? Because in today's fast-paced digital world, efficiency is currency. Businesses spend enormous amounts of time and resources on manual data entry, cross-platform updates, and repetitive communication. n8n eliminates these bottlenecks, freeing up valuable human capital to focus on strategic initiatives and innovation. This direct impact on productivity and cost savings, multiplied across an organization, quickly scales into significant financial gains, making it a truly $1 million proposition for those who leverage it effectively. So what exactly is n8n, and why are we calling it a $1 million opportunity? At its core, n8n is a powerful workflow automation tool that empowers you to build complex integrations and automate repetitive tasks without extensive coding knowledge. Imagine a bridge connecting all your favorite apps, databases, and APIs, allowing them to talk to each other seamlessly. That's n8n. The $1 million opportunity arises from its ability to revolutionize efficiency and unlock new possibilities. For businesses, it means massive cost savings by automating manual processes, reducing human error, and freeing up employees to focus on high-value tasks. For individuals, it's about gaining a competitive edge, automating their personal workflows, and even building automation services for others. This translates directly into increased productivity, optimized resource allocation, and ultimately, substantial financial benefits, making it an invaluable asset in the modern digital landscape. The ability to create custom, scalable automations quickly gives you a significant advantage in any market. n8n boasts a robust set of key features that set it apart in the automation landscape. First and foremost is its open-source nature, giving you full control and flexibility over your data and infrastructure. This is a significant advantage over many proprietary solutions. Secondly, its visual workflow editor provides an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making complex automation accessible to everyone, from developers to business users. You literally draw out your processes. Thirdly, n8n offers an extensive library of pre-built integrations with hundreds of popular applications, databases, and APIs. This means you can connect almost anything to everything else. Finally, its ability to handle both simple and highly complex multi-step workflows, including conditional logic, error handling, and data transformation, makes it incredibly versatile. These features combined create a powerful platform for building resilient, scalable, and intelligent automations that directly impact your bottom line. One of n8n's most compelling features is its visual workflow editor, powered by a node-based system. Imagine building a flowchart, but instead of just boxes and arrows, each box is a node representing an action or an application. You simply drag and drop these nodes onto a canvas and connect them to define the flow of your data and actions. For example, one node might be receive new email, the next extract data, and then send data to CRM. This visual approach makes complex logic easy to understand and manage, even for those without coding experience. Each node performs a specific function, and by linking them, you create a complete automated process. This intuitive design significantly reduces the learning curve for automation, allowing you to quickly visualize, build, and debug your workflows, transforming abstract ideas into concrete, functioning automations in minutes. n8n's true power shines through its vast integration capabilities. It's designed to be the central hub for all your digital tools, connecting them seamlessly. Whether you're using popular SaaS applications like Slack, Salesforce, Google Sheets, or Shopify, n8n has a pre-built node for it, making integration a breeze. But it doesn't stop there. For more custom needs, you can connect to virtually any API, allowing you to interact with bespoke software or services that might not have a direct integration. Furthermore, n8n can connect to various databases, enabling you to read from, write to, and transform data across your entire digital ecosystem. This comprehensive integration support means that no matter what tools you use, n8n can bring them together to create powerful, automated workflows that eliminate silos and ensure your data flows exactly where and when it needs to go. Let's demystify how n8n actually works, step by step. The core concept revolves around, quote, workflows, which are sequences of actions triggered by an event. Every workflow begins with a trigger node. This is the starting point that listens for a specific event. It could be a new email, a form submission, a schedule, or an update in a database. Once triggered, the data flows through a series of interconnected nodes, each performing a specific operation. For example, a node might extract information from the trigger, another might format that data, and a third might send it to a different application. n8n processes this data sequentially through your defined path. You can add conditional logic, looping, and error handling nodes to build highly sophisticated and resilient automations. The magic happens as data transforms and moves from one service to another, all orchestrated by your visual workflow, making complex automation simple and achievable. Setting up your first workflow in n8n is surprisingly straightforward. You start by selecting a trigger node. This is the when of your automation. For instance, you might choose an HTTP request node if you want your workflow to start when a specific web request is made, or a cron node if you want it to run on a schedule, like daily at 9 a.m. Once your trigger is set, you add subsequent nodes that represent the actions you want to perform. Each node has specific parameters you configure, such as the account to use, the data to send, or the action to take. For example, if your trigger is a new email, the next node could be an email read node, followed by a Google Sheets node to add the email's details to a spreadsheet. The beauty is that you visually connect these nodes, clearly seeing the path your data will take, making the process intuitive and easy to follow even for complex multi-step automations. Once data enters your n8n workflow through a trigger, the next crucial step is data transformation and ensuring its smooth flow for automation. Data rarely arrives in the perfect format for every subsequent action, so n8n provides powerful nodes for manipulating and shaping your data. You can filter information, merge data from multiple sources, split data into different paths based on conditions, or even use custom code nodes to perform complex calculations or formatting. For example, if your trigger brings in raw customer data, you might use a set node to extract only the name and email, then a split in batches node to process large lists in smaller chunks, and finally, a code node to reformat a date field. This capability ensures that the right data, in the right format, reaches the right destination, making your automations robust and error-free. It's like having a dedicated data engineer at your fingertips, preparing your data for every step of its automated journey. The theoretical power of n8n becomes truly evident when we look at its real-world use cases. n8n is incredibly versatile and can be applied across almost every department and industry. In marketing, it can automate lead nurturing, synchronize customer data across CRMs and email platforms, and even schedule social media posts based on content updates. For sales teams, it streamlines lead qualification, automates follow-up emails, and integrates data between sales tools and communication channels. Customer support can leverage n8n to automate ticket routing, send personalized replies based on keywords, and gather feedback from multiple sources into a central dashboard. Beyond these, imagine automating your accounting processes, streamlining HR onboarding, or even building complex internal tools without hiring a development team. The possibilities are truly endless, making n8n an invaluable asset for any organization looking to optimize its operations and unlock new efficiencies. Let's dive into some specific examples of how n8n can transform operations, starting with marketing and customer support. For marketing, imagine a new lead fills out a form on your website. n8n can instantly capture that data, add it to your CRM like Salesforce or HubSpot, then automatically enroll the lead into a personalized email nurturing sequence in your email marketing platform like MailChimp or ConvertKit, and even send a notification to your sales team, all without manual intervention. This ensures immediate engagement and a seamless lead handover. In customer support, N8n can automate the triage of incoming tickets. A new support email comes in, N8n reads its content, identifies keywords, e.g., quote, refund request or technical issue, and then automatically routes the ticket to the correct department or agent in your support system, like Zendesk or Intercom. It can even send an automated, personalized acknowledgement to the customer, setting expectations. These automations free up your teams to focus on strategy and complex problem solving, not repetitive data entry. Another incredibly powerful application of n8n is its ability to facilitate seamless data synchronization between various platforms. In today's interconnected digital landscape, data often resides in disparate systems: your CRM, your accounting software, your marketing automation tool, your e-commerce platform, and more. Manually transferring and updating this data is time-consuming and prone to errors. N8n solves this by creating intelligent bridges. For example, when a new order is placed on your e-commerce site, e.g. Shopify, N8n can automatically update your inventory in your ERP system, create a new customer record in your CRM, and even send a notification to your fulfillment team, all in real time. Or, imagine synchronizing contact details between your CRM and your email list manager so that any updates in one system are automatically reflected in the other. This ensures data consistency across your entire tech stack, reduces manual effort, and provides a unified view of your operations, enabling better decision-making and preventing data discrepancies that can cost time and money. While N8n makes basic automation incredibly accessible, its true depth lies in its advanced capabilities, which cater to more complex and bespoke requirements. Beyond the hundreds of pre-built integrations, N8n allows you to create custom nodes. This means if you have a niche application or an internal system that isn't publicly available, you can build your own connector within N8n, extending its reach indefinitely. Furthermore, the platform fully supports webhooks, enabling real-time automation. Instead of polling for updates, webhooks allow applications to instantly notify N8n when an event occurs, triggering workflows instantaneously. This is crucial for time-sensitive operations. You can also integrate custom JavaScript code directly within your workflows using the code node, offering unparalleled flexibility for data manipulation or logical operations that go beyond the standard nodes. These advanced features empower developers and power users to build truly sophisticated, real-time, and tailor-made automation solutions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with no-code, low-code tools. Diving deeper into N8n's advanced toolkit, we find custom nodes, webhooks, and real-time automation. Custom nodes are game changers for unique business needs. If N8n doesn't have a pre-built integration for a specific internal tool or a very niche third-party API, you can write your own custom JavaScript code to create a bespoke node. This means N8n can truly connect to anything, making it infinitely extensible. Webhooks are pivotal for real-time automation. Instead of your workflow checking for new data periodically, a webhook allows an external application to immediately send data to your N8n workflow the moment an event occurs. For instance, a payment gateway can send a webhook to N8n the instant a transaction completes, triggering an immediate email confirmation, order fulfillment, and CRM update. This event-driven architecture ensures your automations are not only powerful, but also incredibly responsive and efficient, handling dynamic business processes as they happen, without any delays or wasted resources from constant polling. Even the most perfectly designed workflows can encounter unexpected issues, which is why N8n's robust error handling and debugging capabilities are so crucial. When an error occurs in your workflow, perhaps an API returns an unexpected response, or a required data field is missing, N8n doesn't just stop. It provides clear, actionable feedback. You can configure error handling paths within your workflows, allowing you to gracefully manage exceptions. For example, if an email fails to send, N8n can automatically retry, send a notification to your team, or log the error to a separate spreadsheet for later review, preventing data loss or process breakdown. The built-in debugging features allow you to execute workflows step by step, inspect the data at each node, and pinpoint exactly where and why an issue occurred. This transparency and control are invaluable for building resilient and reliable automations, ensuring your critical business processes run smoothly, even when unforeseen circumstances arise. It empowers you to proactively address issues and maintain continuous operation. So how does N8n translate into tangible benefits for businesses? In essence, n8n is not just an automation tool, it's a strategic asset that drives significant business value. First, it leads to massive cost savings by automating repetitive, manual tasks. This reduces labor costs associated with data entry, cross-platform updates, and routine communications. Second, it dramatically increases operational efficiency. Processes that once took hours or days can now be completed in minutes or seconds, freeing up employees to focus on higher-value, strategic work that requires human ingenuity and creativity. Third, n8n enables businesses to scale operations without proportionally increasing headcount. As your business grows, your automations can grow with it, handling increased volumes of data and tasks seamlessly. Finally, it fosters innovation by allowing non-technical users to build and experiment with automations, democratizing access to powerful tools, and accelerating digital transformation across the organization. This collective impact on cost efficiency, scalability, and innovation truly positions n8n as $1 million opportunity for forward-thinking companies. Let's unpack the core business benefits of n8n: cost savings, efficiency gains, and scaling operations. The most immediate impact is significant cost savings. By automating manual data transfers, report generation, and routine communications, businesses can reduce the need for extensive human intervention, directly lowering labor costs and reallocating resources to more strategic initiatives. This isn't just about saving money, it's about optimizing your workforce. Secondly, n8n drives massive efficiency gains. Tasks that previously took hours or even days to complete manually can now be executed automatically in mere seconds or minutes. This accelerates workflows, improves response times to customers, and ensures that critical data is always up to date and accurate. Finally, n8n empowers businesses to scale operations without a proportional increase in overhead. As your business grows and data volumes expand, your n8n workflows can handle the increased load without requiring additional staff for repetitive tasks. This scalability is crucial for sustainable growth, allowing you to seize new opportunities and expand your reach without being bogged down by operational inefficiencies. Feeling inspired and ready to harness the power of n8n? Getting started is easier than you might think, and there are multiple avenues to explore. For those who want to jump right in without any setup, n8n offers a cloud-hosted version, which is perfect for individuals or small teams to quickly build and deploy workflows. This option handles all the infrastructure for you. If you prefer more control or have specific security and compliance requirements, n8n can be self-hosted on your own servers. This is a popular choice for larger enterprises and offers maximum flexibility. Regardless of your chosen setup, n8n has a vibrant and supportive community. You'll find extensive documentation, tutorials, and a very active forum where you can ask questions, share ideas, and get help from experienced users. This community support is invaluable for both beginners and advanced users, ensuring you're never alone on your automation journey. So pick your path, dive in, and start building your first workflow today. When it comes to getting started with n8n, you have flexibility in how you deploy it. The simplest way is to use n8n Cloud, their managed service, which allows you to jump right in without any setup or server management. This is fantastic for individuals and teams who want to focus purely on building workflows. For those who require more control, customization, or have specific data residency and security needs, n8n can be self-hosted. This means you can install it on your own server, whether it's a virtual machine, a Docker container, or even a local machine. This open-source nature gives you complete ownership of your data and infrastructure. Whichever path you choose, you're never alone. n8n boasts a vibrant and active community. Their official documentation is incredibly comprehensive, covering everything from basic setup to advanced concepts. There's also a thriving community forum where users share workflows, ask questions, and help each other out. This collective knowledge base is an invaluable resource as you learn and grow with n8n, ensuring you have ample support every step of the way. To truly maximize n8n's potential, especially as a beginner, here are a few tips. First, start small. Don't try to automate your entire business on day one. Pick one repetitive task that causes you regular headaches and build a simple workflow for it. This immediate win will boost your confidence and understanding. Second, utilize the Execute Workflow button extensively. This allows you to run your workflow step by step and inspect the data at each node, which is incredibly powerful for debugging and understanding how data transforms. Third, leverage the n8n community and documentation. Many common problems have already been solved, and the community is eager to help. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Fourth, think modularly. Break down complex processes into smaller, manageable sub-workflows. This makes them easier to build, test, and maintain. Finally, explore the hundreds of pre-built nodes. You'll often find that the functionality you need already exists, saving you time and effort. By following these tips, you'll quickly become proficient and unlock the full, transformative power of n8n for your personal or business needs. We've covered a lot today, from understanding what n8n is to exploring its key features, how it works, and its immense potential in real-world business scenarios. To recap, n8n is a revolutionary open-source workflow automation platform that empowers individuals and businesses to connect diverse applications, automate repetitive tasks, and streamline complex processes using a visual, no-code/low-code interface. It's a game-changer because it delivers substantial cost savings through automation, drives massive efficiency gains by eliminating manual work, and enables scalable operations without proportional increases in resources. More importantly, it democratizes automation, allowing non-developers to build powerful solutions, fostering innovation and agility across the organization. The $1 million opportunity isn't just a catchy title. It represents the significant financial and strategic advantages that n8n can unlock by transforming operational inefficiencies into powerful, automated workflows. This tool is truly a superpower for the modern digital age, enabling you to work smarter, not harder. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into n8n. If you're ready to seize this opportunity, start exploring n8n today and revolutionize your workflows.